Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is D here with High Off Blue Hour, and we are going to be taking another look at a particle template in Fusion. And this time we are going to be taking a look at the matrix effect. It's basically a way for you to achieve that very famous matrix digital grid like effect that those movies made so famous. And so what we're going to do, I have a compound clip that I've already put together that's just made up of various character pictures and a little bit of kind of city B-roll, all done with a very generic matrix style to the visuals. And this is what we're going to be placing this grid effect over, just so that we have a subject at the center of all of this. So with our compound clip highlighted, we're then going to go into Fusion by clicking on the Fusion tab. And if you've seen any of my other particle template videos, you already know kind of the beginning stages of what we got going on here. So media in, this is our slideshow, this is our video, our background, whatever you want to call it. This is our subject that we're going to be placing this template over and kind of connecting it to, and that is going into media out. So then what we want to do is go up here to the effects tab, and we click that, go over, click the drop down arrow on templates, and then go down and click the drop down arrow on Fusion. And then we go down and click particles, and over to the right we get these templates, Fusion, particles. This is a bunch of templates that basically utilize the different particle nodes, for their creation, and it just makes things easier for you. Some of these effects, if you have limited knowledge on some of this stuff, this makes it easier. So you can go down to matrix, and we're going to click that, and matrix, this is the template right here, and it's basically made up of various particle nodes, but it's not connected right. I've talked about this in other videos. Sometimes when you click a template and it comes into your workspace, sometimes it connects properly, sometimes you have to rearrange things so that they're in the correct order, and that's what we're going to do here. So what we'll do is this line right here connecting media out and merge, we're going to double click that to disconnect it. And then we're going to grab merge and pull it back some. Then we're going to go up here in this line that's connecting media in to media out. We're going to take that and drag that down so that media in is going into the yellow triangle on our merge node. And then we're going to go over here to this kind of gray nub right here, and we're going to connect the merge node into the yellow triangle on media out. And so what this does, this brings our matrix grid, the beginning stages of it, brings it so that it's visible on top of our slideshow. And now one of the things that you can do is get your matrix template highlighted, and over here you can mess around with render width and render height and density and depth and those things to kind of alter the look and size and everything of the matrix template. I do use density to kind of make things maybe a little less crowded or more crowded if you so choose. Depth kind of does what it kind of hints at. It kind of changes the depth of the grid, the different letters. You have letters that are close up, letters that are farther back. Depth allows you to toggle some of that. But one of the things that I like to do with my templates is I go up here to this transform node and drag this in. When the line between matrix and merge, when that turns two-toned, I let go, and transform will link in and attach in between matrix, the matrix node / template, and the merge node. And then you highlight transform, and now you can just very obviously and easily adjust the size of the grid and kind of the coverage area of it. And that's what I like to do. So get it so it's covering the whole screen. And once again, you can always move things around a little bit to kind of make sure you have adequate workspace. And then the last addition that I like to make to this template is I click over here in this kind of open space near the matrix template. I click there, then I hit shift spacebar, and you get this select tool area, and you type in glow, and once you type that in, you'll get various versions of that, and I always go with this one that has GLO in parentheses. And then you click add, and that brings it down into your Fusion workspace. And then you want to hold shift and hover glow over the line between matrix and transform. When it turns two-toned, you let go, and that links in there. And so now you see you have kind of more of a glow effect to the matrix grid, which is a lot more of what you want when you're talking about having that digital look and all of those type of things. Now that's pretty much the video. You can go more in depth with the different effects. Obviously, any node you click on in Fusion here, any node you click on, you can then go over into the inspector tab and make adjustments to it. So the same thing with glow, you can click glow, highlight it, come over here into the inspector tab, and then change glow size and you know, how much of the glow there is. And again, click on the matrix template itself, and you can do some alterations there as well. But that is just how you access and get started using the matrix template in Fusion. It's a particle template in Fusion, one of many. This one was called Matrix. So that's the video. Thanks for watching.